Hey guys, welcome back to Twisted Disney Tutorials. Today's process video is with Moana, along with my clingy little moral support. Okay, so now let's look for a page with potential. This one right here. We can either make a skull here, or maybe she's holding a lollipop, or we can switch the scene and go with Grandma as the creepy one. And for that, let's give Grandma long creepy arms and she's coming after Moana. For reference, I'm gonna find a best suitable creepy arm. This one right here. Now let's sketch this out on our Grandma. We need to be careful with the perspective. Wait, I messed up. Let's erase. Now we're done with the drawing and we need a close to perfect good skin color match for Grandma.
2 hours later.
I definitely need new poster paints. These are supposed to be pasty, but they have turned into rocks. Let me try and break this one. Now my favorite part. Painting. This skin color isn't perfect, but it's quite close to Grandma's. Time for adding details. While adding details, you must remember the light source. In this picture, our light source is from the right side, so we will try and add details accordingly. Now I'm applying a darker shade more along the left side of her arms, because again, our light source is on the right. Now adding highlights. Time for Grandma's face. Since we gave her 4 arms, let's give her a more spider-inspired face to make Grandma look creepier. Adding some blood here and there. Now, Moana time. We want our Moana to be scared, like she's trying to run away from her possessed Grandma, and for that, I'm giving her a few scratches on her face. As you guys know, our story for Moana is about how one gets possessed who holds the amulet. In this page, our Grandma has it. Time to change. Wait, let me get this open first. And it doesn't work.
It's my life.
Got me a new one. Retake, changing the story, and voila! What do you guys think? Which princess you want next? Thank you for watching!